the heck? Another SMW. Another SMW. What the hell? Oh my God!
7:23 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was
God damn!
moving east at 30 knots.
Woo!
Hazard. Wind gusts in excess of 50
knots. 50 knots. God damn! What the heck?
Significant structural damage in high winds. Small
Woo!
craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm
Let's go!
7:35 p.m. Jones Inlet and Little Bay around 7:40 p.m. Jones Beach around 7:45.
Jones Beach.
Builders should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts in excess.
What the hell?
That's
That's crazy.
Heavy rain are expected with this storm. Keep car on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Jesus Lord.
Here is a special weather statement for the following areas: in Connecticut, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex, and northern New London.
Damn.
Strong thunderstorms will impact northwestern New London, central Fairfield, Middlesex, and New Haven counties through 8 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., the operator was tracking strong thunderstorms.
Let's go.